If you're thinking about purchasing PartnerStack, here are 7 essential things you need to know before making the decision. Whether you're looking to scale your affiliate program or manage partnerships more effectively, you'll want to stick around till the end to get the full picture. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make an informed choice about whether PartnerStack is the right fit for your business, especially when compared to other affiliate management platforms like Post Affiliate Pro or Reversion. First off, you can actually try PartnerStack for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I'll dive into exactly what you need to know to decide if it's worth it for you, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming up. Next thing you should know is PartnerStack's user interface. If you've used software like Post Affiliate Pro, or even some of the more basic solutions out there, you may find PartnerStack's dashboard much cleaner and more intuitive. The setup process is streamlined, which makes it easier for teams to manage partnerships without getting bogged down by complex features. But of course, with simplicity comes the question, does it sacrifice any critical functionality? Let's explore that. The third thing to note is how PartnerStack handles integrations. If you're already using platforms like Shopify, HubSpot, or even Salesforce, you'll be pleased to hear that PartnerStack integrates seamlessly with these. Many competitors like Reversion require you to pay for more advanced integrations or offer limited options, but PartnerStack's integration capabilities are one of its strongest points. It's designed to fit right into your existing ecosystem without a ton of extra work. The fourth thing you need to be aware of is their pricing structure. PartnerStack offers a tiered pricing model, which can be more affordable than many other platforms, depending on the size of your business. However, for smaller businesses or startups, the entry-level costs can still be a stretch. This might be a deal breaker if you're just getting started or operating on a tight budget. But if you're scaling up and looking for something that grows with you, this model could end up being a more cost-effective long-term solution compared to platforms like Post Affiliate Pro, which have more rigid pricing. Another important factor is support. Now, we all know how frustrating poor customer service can be, especially when you're dealing with a new platform. PartnerStack shines in this department by providing responsive, personalized support. Their customer service is available via live chat, email, and even phone, which beats out the bare-bones support offered by other programs. In comparison, competitors like Reversion can sometimes feel like they leave you hanging in moments of need. So, if you value high-quality support, that's definitely something to keep in mind. Now let's talk about scalability. This is a big one. PartnerStack's focus is on helping you grow your partner network. Whether you're building out an affiliate program or managing influencers, PartnerStack is designed to scale with your business. Unlike some other affiliate platforms that start out strong but don't grow well with larger businesses, PartnerStack keeps performance at its peak even when you have a large number of affiliates or partners. If you've had trouble scaling with other programs in the past, PartnerStack's built-in tools and infrastructure may be exactly what you need. The final thing to keep in mind before purchasing PartnerStack is its reporting capabilities. PartnerStack offers detailed insights into affiliate performance, payouts, and partner success, which you can easily integrate into your workflow. Some competitors offer basic reports, but the depth of data that PartnerStack provides makes it easier to track ROI and optimize your program. If you're a data-driven marketer, this is a key feature you won't want to overlook. To wrap up, if you're considering PartnerStack, you can start with a free trial and see for yourself how it measures up. Remember, clicking the first link in the description below gives you access to that free trial, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. If PartnerStack sounds like the tool for you, make sure you click the first link below to get started. You'll get the best free trial offer available and some great exclusive benefits you can't get anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.